3D printers are a type of device that can create three-dimensional objects by building them layer by layer, using materials such as plastic, metal, or ceramics. They have the ability to create complex shapes and structures that would be difficult or impossible to produce with traditional manufacturing methods. 3D printing technology has revolutionized the way products are designed and manufactured, offering faster and more efficient production processes, as well as greater flexibility in design. Applications for 3D printing include manufacturing parts for products, creating prototypes for testing, producing custom-fit orthopedic implants, and creating architectural models, among others. In summary, 3D printers are versatile and innovative devices that offer numerous benefits for various industries, from manufacturing to healthcare to architecture. Additionally, the accessibility of 3D printing technology has also increased in recent years, with the availability of both personal and industrial 3D printers, making it easier for individuals and small businesses to get involved in this field. Moreover, 3D printing is a rapidly developing technology, with new advancements and innovations being made all the time. This has led to the development of new materials, such as metal and ceramic powders, and new printing techniques, such as multi-material printing, that have expanded the capabilities of 3D printers.